Hope everyone's doing well. It's Crusher here, aka Darren Allport. So we're coming on to I think it's about a year and 6 months to 18, maybe about 20 months since I purchased our Aurora. So I had it sent off there because it came up with an F1 code, which normally relates to the heater. You know, when you buy these things, you do get your manual of problems and what to do, and etc, etc. So sent it off to Portable Spas, awesome to deal with, fix the problem. It ended up being limescale. It seems to be the second time it seems to be the most common issue I am having with this, as the F1 comes up and it sort of seems to be always relating to limescale. Now, I don't know much about limescale, which I'm sure you'll probably help me with on how to prevent it. But I think it could be down to just me, to be honest, not the company or the product. So I just sent it off to them. They cleaned it all up for me, no charge at all, which is great, because one thing I did forget about these is that you do only get 1 year warranty. And if there is a problem, everyone, and you do send it off, keep your receipts of your postage, because the first 12 months, if there is a fault, you send it off to them. It's your cost to send it down to them, down to Christchurch there. But once you get it all, once you send it to them, they fix it, obviously, because it's their problem for 12 months. You know what I'm saying, with the warranty. And when you get it back, you send a copy of the receipt that you paid for your delivery, and they refund you it. So that's awesome. Now, unfortunately, with this one here, I had to pay for that. That was out of my cost because it's obviously out of the warranty. So I've just got the unit beautifully boxed, better than what I sent it, to be honest. And bear with me, I did do pretty well in sending it down to them. But I'm going to stop rambling on now, and I guess I'll show you how to put it back in. So I've opened everything all back up. I'll also show you how to pull it back out, I guess, because it's sort of the same thing. So I've slid the unit in. So there's a little slot here, which you'll see in the bottom here. I don't know if you can see, there's a big opening here where the remote will come back through. So here we go. So you slide that in through, then you put this in nicely. So as you do, this is obvious. So this screws into here. This hose here, it comes off. So that comes on this side here. So this black hose here, sorry if the camera sucks. So that goes into that one there. I can actually slide that on there. This here clips onto here, and this here goes onto here. So you screw everything all on nice. As you do when you get it back, you reset the heater. And we'll go with that for now. So, be with me, one hand, let's put it all together. Try to do everything with one hand. Every day you take a spa unit apart. So if I can do it with one hand, I'm sure everyone else can take this apart and put it back together. But before you do all of this, you drain it obviously with this hose here. Make sure that's all nice and tight, finger tight. So that goes in there, so I'll put that on there. Grab this, we slide that down there. And then clip that on. But I think I'll do that last. Get this. Bear with me, one hand, people. I might just put it down for a second. Bear with me, you're going to see some horrible looking stuff, but I apologise. Screw it all up. Anyone remembers that song on Sesame Street? My 12-year-old daughter. She always reminds me of the old days kids songs like Postman Pat. Who remembers Postman Pat by Christ? Okay, so that will screw on here. So I found that doing these, you just slide them sideways and they'll pop off, but I'm going to put you down for a second. And reset it. going pretty raw. You know, like other YouTubers or other people that show you perfection. You know, just show you like an everyday Kiwi. So I got it. Here we go. You work it out with that part there. That slides in there. Oh, I've done it wrong. Oh no! Pull that off. I just realised that actually goes under there and comes out the other side. That's right. Sorry, not even showing yet. You get the hint. Big guy, second hands. Oh, I look. Oh, put down, sorry. I have to get the cord. Come on now. Oh, where's the clip going? I placed it. Real time. Oh, I chopped it again. Oh, what are you doing? Alright. Okay. I'll get it in a second. I can't be bothered right now. So, this is pretty simple. That goes along through there. So, we can so obviously you can tell I have it outside. I'll look at the bottom, but hey, we're not swimming on that. Sorry if that hurts anyone's cleaning side on the old OCD. So we flip the sucker over. Now it's been gone for a couple of weeks. So obviously with our recent storm, which everyone in Auckland would realise what I'm talking about, is, yeah, she got a bit dirty. So first thing you do when you do take it apart is you unscrew these. Okay, pretty simple. You do get a tool. Okay, but I found when I bought it, it was actually quite easy to do. So pretty simple way of working out which one goes what. This one's got little lugs on the side here, right there. If you can see that, that goes on the top. And obviously that one there goes down there. So the tool's pretty simple, as you can see. Little lugs here. Oh bloody hell, sorry people. There, obviously fit into all these. And then you screw it on, touch them up, like so. This is the more time to line everything up. And I don't know why, but I nailed it. Oh, maybe not. See, that's that moment, eh, when you speak too soon. Probably is a better way of doing it. As I said, it's not every day yet. I said this is the second time since we bought this Aurora that I've actually had to take the unit out. It's coming on to 2 months. And maybe they last longer if they're inside. But with me, this you get to see, you know, when you're out in the full environment. And I mean full environment, as you see in my previous videos there. This thing has no shelter at all. And I don't think it should, to be honest. I mean, if it's an outdoor spa, then why do you have to protect the damn thing? You know what I mean? If it's built for outdoors, then why protect it like it's indoor? I've got a couple of mates, they bought theirs and they bought full on covers. They spent like 20 grand on the whole unit for it. So with mine, I tore mine off. I found it when you're, you know, with your partner, you know, that sort of catches you. Get my drift. And so I took it off. I just need to cut it off a little bit because obviously you've got a plug down the end here. So what I found, I cable tied the cord to because it's so long, which is awesome when you think about it. Don't you just hate it when you buy things and you know they never have enough cord? You know they think you got 10,000 power points in your house and outside. You know, every 2-3 meters apart. Oh, slow. That big boy. Woo! Hang on. Obviously I'm going to clean it and I'm not going to show you because I can't bore you. So as you know, you have your head pad down, your insulating pad or however you want to put it. Oh, slugs everywhere. Flick you off. Flick you off. Now I'm just showing you for now. So please, if you're going, ooh, I spar with that. No, I don't. I do clean it, but just showing you an idea of how to put the thing together. Excuse me. So when you do get the thing, like I said before, it all comes up and thing, you unravel it, and what you do is you plug it in. Yes. You have an extension cord. So hey, it's upside down so no water can get onto it, and you've got the surge protector anyway. Let's test it out. There's that famous sound. Okay. So we are in Fahrenheit, so if you don't know, hold that down. There we go, turns into Celsius. 40 degrees, no, it's a bit too hot. 38. Now, I won't turn on until I push the heater and filter, and I don't want to hit them on yet because there's no water. You do not have those on when you've got no water, okay? You will stuff your unit. So how to fill it, inflate it, bubble and up together. There you go. Now it's inflating. It will turn itself off. So you know what? I'm a knob. Because I haven't got better. So simple way. Get that, put the O-ring on. Make it look nice and pretty. And screw that in. It'll probably help a hugely amount. So we're ready to go. And if you're ever confused, there you go. You can't overinflate it because it releases itself anyway if you ever want to know. So that's inflating, and like I said, I won't do, but I will have that clean, obviously. The final piece is this part here. It looks good. We are into it. Piece is sorted. Yes, they are. Now I don't put the filter in straight away. Look at that, they even fixed that. I'm not seeing my last video there that the two was missing, so I'm glad they sorted that out for me. Honestly, I love these guys. You know, so it is fading. Do its own thing. Right. There you go. After obviously our storm has made my house pretty messy. So here's our filter. So don't forget, every 2 weeks replace your filter. Now there is to do that, I think they're like $80 for 2. But yeah, your jaw just dropped. But hey, guess what? There's actually a discount code on YouTube through these guys there where it's 50% off. So I think it ends up being $40 or $35 for 2 of them. So how's that? They even help you out by just giving you a discount, and the code is still there. It never goes. It's simple. Done. Voila. So that will do its thing. I'll clean that up. But yeah, hope everyone's doing well. I'm not curious about a slug. yeah, hope everyone's doing well. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.